What I wanted to do was show you how to properly measure a window. Now there's a few different techniques that you can use to do this, but a lot of clients get very concerned that they're going to measure their window wrong. Well, from a quote standpoint, if you're just looking for some prices on a window, all you really need to do is give measurements from drywall to drywall. And you always start with the width of the window first and then the height. So whenever you call a window company and they're looking for measurements, they want the width first and then the height. Here's a perfect example. What we've done is we've actually talked about using the exterior trim jamb extension. So here's an illustration. If you notice, this window actually fits inside the drywall. Generally what you do is, if you want it to fit so you don't have to do a drywall cutback, you simply measure drywall to drywall. If you notice, my tape is at 47 to that corner. Now what I'll go ahead and do is back that off a ½ inch. My measurement for this window is 46.5. That will give me space so that window fits with inside this opening. If I go to the top, my measurement is 47. Again, this doesn't have to be super accurate. I'm going to take off a ½ inch and make my height to the window 46.5. Now what we'll do is, if you remember, you'll have a small gap about a ½ inch on each side of your drywall. This one fit in very tight, but we'll go ahead and use that flat trim for that jamb extension to go ahead and fill that gap, and then we'll use just a tiny bit of caulking to seal that window off, and they look dynamite. So, to measure the window, again, you do width and then height. Go ahead and subtract a ½ inch, and that's going to give you get your window sizes close enough from a pricing standpoint so you can get an accurate quote. Thanks very much. Good luck with your window installation.